Hi guys, welcome to Coding Beetle, and in this video I will discuss about variables in Java. So variables are containers for storing data or data values. In Java there are different types of variables, for example string, integer, int, float, character, boolean, many others. So what string types usually do is string types usually stores uh, value which is a word or sentence. Let me write and show you. It will make sense. So, so string types usually give usually written with double quotations, and within double quotes, whatever you write that will be a string. Let's say hello world. This is a string for us, and integer values are, it could be anything. It could be negative value, or it could be positive value or a negative value. And float. Float values are, it could also be negative or positive, but it will contain decimal values. Unlike integer values, integer does not contain any decimals in it, but floats will contain decimal. For example, here it is 15 point, it is 15.65, or it could be a negative value, that will be 48.25. Doesn't matter, means it could be anything. And what characters is, as you can understand, character simply contains a single value or a single letter, that could be capital letter or small letters. It's capital A or small a. And for telling it is a character, we embrace them with a single quote. And Boolean values stores value with two states. That is, it could be either true or false. So let's start by declaring our first variable. Remember, to create a variable, you must specify the type and assign its value. Like, first you have to give the type, that what type of variable you want to create, then the variable name, and then the value. So this is the format of writing a variable. So let's write our first variable. So let it be string. So for string we have to give string, then our variable name, that could be anything. I will say my variable, and specify a value in it, that would be hi there. So now our string variable, my variable, is holding a value hi there, or here this is the variable type and this is the variable, and by giving an equal sign we specify that this variable is equals hi there, that is the string hi there. And to print the hi there, just write system.out.println and specify the variable, that is my variable which I gave. So let's run it. So here you can see it is giving hi there. Let me show you one more variable. So for example, int, that is for integer type, and let's give it mynum54. That is, mynum is the variable and 54 is the value. And let's print it by simply saying mynum. So let's run it. Here you can see it is showing the value of mynum here, that is 54. And without declaring this value in a single line, you can also write this in a different way. That is, first you indicate that there is a variable, integer variable mynum, and after that you want to specify a value in it, that is in mynum, and that will be mynum equals to 36. This could also be approved. So let's run it, and now you can see we will get 36. Here you can see we got the value 36 in mynum. So this is also how you can specify value in it. So this is for this video, guys, and in the future videos I'll show you more about variables and other stuffs. Thank you.